Recently, I've observed your team, and I found out that you guys doesn't perform well. So, can you guys tell me why?
Well, as far as I know, Shara's reported to me, and it seems as if her team is, doing well. I haven't really seen any errors in their work. Everything seems complete. The performance, Shara told me that the performance is quite good actually. So I don't really know what this is about. Maybe this is a misunderstanding. But do you know anything about this, Shara?
Yeah, and what they have delivered to me, their jobs are completely fine, they are completed, and all invoices are sent to me. Right, Rafika? Yes, I have completed all my work as before. Okay. It's ending.
Surely there's something wrong here because our director is here and confronting us about it. So I just want to ask you, have you triple checked, their work at all? I mean, I did check their work, but yeah, some of their work. Well, what does that mean? Some, is it easy?
I just sent her a snippet of my progress and she said it was okay, so I assumed that it was complete, so I just sent it to her.
So you sent an incomplete part of your work,
Yes, but she said
and
it was okay.
and you let that slide.
Yeah, of course, it's still a progress.
Well, clearly that's not what I want, and that's not what he wants. So, can either of you tell me why you aren't doing your work and lying to me and her about completing your work?
I don't know what you guys talking about. You have already done everything that you asked me to do.
Well, it doesn't seem that way from the way your work looks. It looks sloppy and incomplete. And now we have a bigger problem because our director is complaining about this. This will affect not only your work but also her work. Her work also. Even me. I am your senior manager. I am managing all of this. This doesn't only affect you. So what is going on here?
Miss, honestly, please understand us. There's a lot of things going on in this week. I had to work at the same time, and I have a family to take care of. It's just a little bit too difficult for me to handle all of these things in 1 week.
Okay, I understand that, but that still doesn't give you the excuse to not finish your work on time. You've been giving a time frame for the work that Shara has made you done. So why are you not completing it on time? Why is it incomplete? Why are you lying to me? And why are you lying to her about your progress? Rafika, you can't possibly have the same excuse as him.
For me, as you know that I'm a single mother, I have 4 kids to take care of, so there's just a lot of burden on my shoulders to understand my situation.
Okay, I understand that it may be difficult to juggle all of these things, but I want you guys to try to finish your work. This is a serious thing. This is such a serious issue. It affects everyone. The director must have a few things he wants to say.
All I heard is just excuses. You both need to be professional. You guys need to separate your life and work. Everybody here have their own problem, but yet still we done our job. Why can't you guys just do your job? Tell me why.
It's not simple as that. There's a lot of things that we actually have to do.
That's just excuses. We have things we have to do, but yet our job still done. Don't give me the same excuses.
Your job is far more easy than us.
But, okay, what is you guys' problem? Okay, Rafika, what is your problem?
I have to clean the house, I have to cook for my kids, I have to send them to school, pick them up. So there's a lot of things I have to do.
Okay, but I just don't understand why you can't try to manage your time. Even I have my own problems. Like, of course, Shira must have her own problems too. But we all can manage it. Why are you guys giving us excuses? That's all I'm hearing. Excuses.
I'm just explaining my situation.
Yes, but you're using your situation to excuse and justify your incomplete work. So now we're difficult. You're in a difficult situation right now because now your performance has been completely tanked. You know, it's affecting both of your guys' performances. And now, if you're out of this job, how are people going to perceive you outside
Sebab
of,
I
you know,
cakap macam
this
balik
position?
myself.
Do you think this will be a good
dekat
look?
reading late. Buat my point.
So, what do you propose we do? I don't want to hear any excuses anymore.
Well, we can't just abandon our family.
Well, so we are. We didn't abandon our family yet. Our job still done. All I say is just do your job. Separate your life with your job. Okay. Be professional. You can manage your time.
That's just so unfair.
Okay, let's take a breather. Shara, do you have any proposal on what we could do to fix this?
Maybe I can propose on your job office. I hope you guys can take this as you guys first warning and try to manage you guys time properly and try to get your guys jobs done. And also, like she said, we also have a problem. Everyone has a problem, and we still manage to get our job done. And I hope you guys try your best to get
Maknanya I just trying to
job
guys tak
done
faham tau.
properly after
So like my
it's
phone
okay,
just
guys
because
can
at my
take
phone
your time.
being apa I can okay outside of it.
And it's my fault to
But that's my
overlook
problem.
the like the job at sent to me.
It is my fault, and I hope we all can fix this together. Okay, thank you for admitting your wrongdoings. What I want from the both of you is to be transparent to me. I want you to report directly to me. I don't want you to report to her anymore. I want when she gives you the work, I want you to do it correctly and on time, and when you finish it, give it to me. And then I will give it to the director just to make sure that the work that you guys are doing is actually, valid and not, based on something that you did in rush, okay? I don't want you guys to give me any more excuses.
I hope you guys understand how this could affect your team, So next time you guys need to get your job done. Can you do it? Can you guys do it?
Well, we are not promising anything, but we will try.
So I expect to see some progress by maybe the next week. And I will have to give you a warning for this first time because this is quite serious. But I think that's all. I hope that you guys won't repeat this mistake ever again because it's quite a serious thing. Okay, it's going to be on your track record. Please take note of that. Okay, that's all for today.